Alright, here we are at Pro Audio of Gillette again. Got something pretty cool this time. We got some trim panels from dash and doors of a 2013 Evo. We went ahead and we base coated these in Synergy green. Now we're going to go ahead and throw some skulls on them. Just waiting for my 60-second hydration time right now. Got about 10 seconds left here, then we're going to go ahead and hit the pattern with an activator. As you can tell right now, it's not much. Once he hits it with this activator, you'll start to see it turn into somewhat of an ink on the water. Nice and glassy now, as you can see. This is going to be Inferno skulls. Here's our piece, front dash piece. Here we go. You'll notice as he dips it, he's going to roll it around for the backside to cover there. Okay, we're going to go ahead and kick our pump on. Clear out some of this extra. See what we got here. Inferno skulls over Synergy green. Beautiful.